Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time for some practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today, again, we're pounding on how are you lately? 最近好吗？
按旧好吗？
按旧好吗？ Okay, again, that's how are you lately? But when we meet, we might say other things that spins off from how are you lately, okay? 比如说在这边呢，大家呢都会问一句话，因为呢，台湾是一个吃的地方，美食一大堆。如果你来到台湾呢，都没有吃到台湾的美食，你就等于没有来过了，对不对？
没变胖就不要回去。
Hey, that's true. You know, if you come to Taiwan, you gotta eat. You gotta try out all the delicacies and the food. And you got to gain some weight, okay? That is a must. And that's why when people meet up here in Taiwan, a lot of times we ask people, have you had your meal already? 吃饱了没有? Okay, it could be breakfast, it could be lunch, it could be dinner.
吃饱吗？
吃饱吗? Okay, 吃 is eat. 饱吗就是饱了吗? Okay.
那海陆腔，吃饱吗？
吃饱吗？
吃饱吗？
感觉要去吃什么包子了，你知道吗？吃包子，吃饱吗 ？Okay, that's a different dialect for saying have you had a meal? 好，那我们就套用在这个一天24小时
三餐，
对不对？哈，可能不一样的时间怎么去说了哦。There are different meals you have. There's breakfast, there's lunch, there's dinner. So we might as well review these phrases. Okay, 吃过早餐没 ？That means have you had your breakfast?
吃饱酒吗？
吃饱酒吗？Okay, 酒就是早餐了，其实是早的意思而已，是不是 ？Okay, so that's have you had your breakfast? 那如果是吃过午餐没呢？
吃饱猪嘛？
猪，对，我记得猪就是 lunch. Okay, 猪 is lunch. So 吃饱猪嘛 ？Okay, that means have you had lunch? And then finally dinner. 吃过晚餐没？
吃饱鸭嘛？
鸭 it sounds like duck, right? But it means dinner. 吃饱鸭嘛 ？Okay, that means have you had dinner? So let's review all these terms again. 吃饱了吗？
吃饱嘛？
吃饱嘛 That means have you had your meal? Or have you had breakfast?
吃饱酒嘛？
吃饱酒嘛 Oh, that's have you had breakfast. Then have lunch. 吃饱猪嘛 Right? And then dinner. 吃饱鸭嘛there you have it.
棒哦！
很好，只要跟吃我都背得非常好，
所以变胖胖，
倒背如流。真的皮呀，
屁呀，
对啊，皮呀。Okay, it's all about how are you lately? 最近好吗？
按旧好吗？
按旧好吗 And that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺自谁长来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.